Guys, my name is Aryan Golar. Hello everyone, my name is Arjun Golar. We are studying in 8th grade in Bangalore. In this video, we will be walking you through one of the most awaited feature of this calculator, the games feature. The logic here is the movement logic of our game. This logic listens for your keyboard input. I use if statement so that every time an arrow key is pressed, the x coordinate of the basket updates. It's a simple coordinate system. If the button is pressed, the basket's coordinates are shifted by certain amount of pixels. Next is the fruit. This is the part that makes it a game. I used a random generator to make the fruits appear at different spots at the top. And this block right here, this is the collision detection. It checks if the basket's position matches this fruit's position. Then add a point. It's the rule that makes the game playable. This game runs on a continuous while true loop that updates the screen every 0.02 seconds and makes the fruit fall downward by 7 pixels. As you can see, I have to move right to go right and left to go left. Whenever I press the left arrow key, the coordinate of the basket shifts by 40 pixels. And whenever I move right, the coordinates of this basket shifts by 40 pixels each. To do this, I have defined two functions, move left and move right functions. As you can see, when the fruit falls below the y coordinate 300, it spawns right at the top, like this. When you move the basket and when the fruit touches the basket, the y coordinate is greater than 220 and less than 260 pixels, which shows that the collision has taken place and increases your score and spawns another fruit right at the top. Now let's talk about collision logic. This is the most important part of the game. This statement is the collision detection. It constantly measures the distance between the player and the food. And if the distance between the player and the food is less than 20 pixels, then it triggers the random.randint function with food.goto command, which makes it appear in the random location in the game window. For this game, we have used 600 into 600 pixel window with a black background to make the colors pop. We have used screen.tracer 0 to make the gameplay feel smooth and lag free. This game runs on a continuous while true loop that monitors if the player has touched the red dot and checks the collision. This also makes sure that the game runs properly to make the colors pop out more. When you press the arrows to move up, down, left or right, the turtle character moves by 20 pixels. And when you touch the red dot appears in random location. This is because the if statement I have used constantly checks the distance between the player and the food. And if it is less than 20 pixels, it triggers the food.goto along with random.randint function, which makes it appear in random location. Now finally we have come to the end of this video. We will be posting you amazing videos about tech products and Python projects in the upcoming videos. If you would like to hear any feedback regarding our Python games, please make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for putting in time and effort in watching our videos. Thank you and have a great day.